How to set the touch screen tap assistance to off or use initial or final touch location on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on settings. Now from the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on accessibility. After that, scroll down and then tap on touch. Next, we go down, then tap on touch accommodations. From here, scroll down to the tap assistance section. From here, you can choose off, use initial touch location, or use final touch location. And here say enable tap assistance to allow any single finger gesture to perform a tap. And that's it. So if you select use initial or final touch location, in here you can select or you can adjust the tap assistance gesture delay. And that's it. Here we can also turn swipe gestures on or off as well. So here I will select off, and then after that you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.